Jack goes to the supermarket. It was Saturday morning. Jack needed a few things for his hotel room. He decided to visit a nearby supermarket. As he entered the store, he was surprised. The supermarket was huge. There were hundreds of products everywhere. Jack smiled and said, "This is going to be interesting." Scene 1, looking for milk. Jack walked through several aisles, but he couldn't find the milk section. He saw an employee stocking shelves. "Jack, excuse me, could you help me?" Employee, of course. "What are you looking for?" "Jack, I'm looking for milk." Employee, "You'll find it in aisle 5. Jack, "Thank you very much." Employee, "You're welcome." Vocabulary. Aisle equals a passage between shelves. Looking for equals trying to find. Employee equals a person who works in a store. Shelf equals a flat surface where products are displayed. Scene 2, asking about prices. Jack picked up a bottle of juice. There was no price tag. He went to another employee. "Jack, excuse me, how much does this cost?" Employee, "Let me check." Employee, "It's $3.99. Jack, "Great, I'll take it." Employee, "Good choice." Native English expressions. Basic, "It's good." Native, "It's pretty good." Basic, "I like it." Native, "I'm a fan of it." Basic, "Thank you." Native, "I appreciate it." Basic, "Okay." Native, "Sounds good." At the checkout. Jack finished shopping. He went to the checkout counter. "Cashier, hello. Did you find everything you needed?" Jack, "Yes, I did, thank you." Cashier, "Great. Your total comes to $24.50. Jack, "Can I pay by card?" Cashier, "Absolutely." Jack, "Here you go." Cashier, "Thank you. Have a great day." Jack, "You too." Real-life American English. Cashier, "Did you find everything you needed?" Meaning, were you able to buy everything you wanted? Sounds good. Equals, "That's okay with me." No problem equals, "It's okay." You too equals, "Same to you." Life lesson. While walking back to the hotel, Jack realized something. Every place is a classroom. The airport taught him greetings. The coffee shop taught him conversations. The supermarket taught him practical English. The more he spoke, the more confident he became. Daily speaking practice. "Excuse me? Could you help me? What are you looking for?" "I'm looking for milk." "How much does this cost?" "I'll take it." "Did you find everything you needed?" "Can I pay by card?" "Sounds good. I appreciate it. Have a great day."